Hey there and welcome. If you've ever felt a little overwhelmed when trying to mark up your charts in TradingView, don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use two of the most essential drawing tools, vertical lines and horizontal rays. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add these tools to your charts, but you'll understand why and when you might want to use each one. Whether you're spotting trends, marking key price levels, or just keeping your analysis organized, these drawing tools are real game changers. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the TradingView website. Head over to tradingview.com, and if you haven't already, log in so you can follow along with your own charts. Once you're there, look for the menu at the top of the page. You'll see a tab labeled Products. Give that a click. This will bring up a range of tools and features that TradingView has to offer, but for today, we're focusing on the charting tools. Now let's talk about vertical lines. Imagine you want to mark a specific point in time on your chart, maybe after a big news event or perhaps at the open or close of a session. A vertical line is perfect for this. To add one, find the vertical line tool in the drawing toolbar on the left side of your chart. It might look like a simple straight line standing upright. Click on it and then just click anywhere on your chart where you want the line to appear. Maybe you want to highlight the start of a new trading day or pinpoint the exact moment a pattern emerges. Don't stress about getting it perfect the first time. You can always select and drag the line to adjust its spot later. Remember, vertical lines don't affect your chart's data. They're just a visual guide for your own reference, so use them wherever they'll help your analysis. Alright, once you've got the hang of vertical lines, let's try adding a horizontal ray next. Horizontal rays are super useful for marking support and resistance levels on your chart. Picture it as a laser pointer shooting across the chart from one price level, great for highlighting where the price has bounced off before or where you expect it might face a barrier. To add a horizontal ray, follow similar steps. Look for the horizontal ray tool in that same drawing toolbar. It'll look like a line pointing sideways with a dot at one end. Select it, then click once on your chart at the exact price level you want to mark. The line will extend horizontally from that point. There's no pressure to get it perfect immediately. If you need to adjust it, just click and drag the ray up or down. Using these rays, you can quickly see, for example, where the market's been reacting in the past, so you can plan your trades with more confidence. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can start making your charts more informative and easier to read. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to place the lines exactly where you want them. That's completely normal. As you use them more, your charts will become not just more organized, but also more powerful tools for spotting patterns and making decisions. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see a video on another TradingView feature. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.